Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin, and today we are making Florida cocktails. I'm really excited. We've got a couple of really good Florida-produced vodkas. I'm especially excited about this cocktail. We're taking a traditional classic drink, and we're gonna add a couple little extra Florida components to it to make it that much better. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I have is a large bucket of crushed ice. So we're just gonna fill these up just about all the way with the crushed ice. The first thing we wanna do is add about 1.5 ounces of our Florida vodka to each glass. Now that we have our Florida vodka in, we can go ahead and squeeze in some fresh lime juice. I'm gonna cut them in half and squeeze a half a lime at least into each of the glasses. Now we're just gonna take our spoon and we're gonna stir these up just a little bit. And now to this, I wanna add just a little squeeze of some fresh Florida orange juice. So now the last thing we really need to add is our ginger beer. Now this is actual ginger beer, not ginger ale. So we're just gonna top these with ginger beer. And then we're just gonna top these with just a little more crushed ice. So here we have our Florida Citrus Mule. It looks delicious and refreshing. We've garnished it with some fresh mint, the squeezed lime, a little bit of Florida strawberry. Can't wait to enjoy these on a nice warm day. So this recipe is on followfreshfromflorida.com along with many other incredible recipes, so please go check that out. And don't forget to look for our Fresh from Florida Club. When you become a member, you'll have access to all kinds of wonderful features, including our newsletter and the ability to email me directly with your culinary questions. So please go on and take advantage of that. In the meantime, I'm Chef Justin, and remember, keep it fresh and drink responsibly.